Hello and welcome back to our series on Excel Draw. In the previous video, I discussed what Excel Draw was. I also explained how you can install it. And I also explained where you could get it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show off some of the functions and features. In Excel Draw, you can see right here, we have all these different objects that you can create. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a few of those. So I'm going to go up here, and the format that these objects are in, they're going to be in a format like this, where you have X values and then you have Y values, and Z values are optional. I'll show you some with and without Z values. So you have a starting point and an end point, so X and Y, just like in CAD. So the first object I'm going to create is going to be a rectangle. So I'm going to put down here rectangle just so I know, and I'm going to have it start at 0, 0 on the X and Y, and I'm going to have it end at 2, 2. So it's going to make us a square. And all I have to do is select that and go up to rectangle and click the rectangle button. And as you can see, we now have a rectangle that is created. If I'd like to add another rectangle in here, I can just drop down here, and I'm going to add in one at -1, -1, and 3, 3. So it should be a square right over top of that one. And I'm going to hit add rectangle. Now you may have noticed that you couldn't see that at first, and that's because it didn't zoom out. What I did is I clicked the graph orientation button right up here, and that brought up this window. Now with this window, you can rotate, you can zoom in and zoom out, and it gives you all the functionality of CAD inside of Microsoft Excel. So let's look at a few other objects. Let's say that we want to add in a line. So I'm going to add in a line going from this point to this point. Make a line straight across. So I'm going to copy this down here, and I'm going to add in a line. And there we have it, line going right there. Or if I want to add in a circle, that's also very simple. With the circle, you want to put your origin point. So I'm going to have it be 0, 0. And then you want to put in the radius. So I'm going to have it be a radius of 2. That way it should fill up in the middle of the squares. So let's go ahead, select those, and hit circle. And there we have it. At 0, 0, a radius of 2, there's our circles. So I'm going to open back up my graph orientation window, and I'm going to reset everything to default so we can see it. And there we have it. So that is how you can use Excel Draw to create CAD style drawings inside of Microsoft Excel. Those are some of the features. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can export, and then I'm also going to be showing you Z values later on. I'm going to be showing you layers. I'm going to be showing you some automations. Thank you all very much for watching.